Good afternoon, everyone. Let's check it. The spelling is correct or not. Okay. One more is discrete spectrum is again two types: band spectrum. Continuous spectrum. Rainbow. For the spelling rainbow, which I'm going to write is correct or wrong, you can check it. Correct rainbow spelling. Still, I didn't talk anything. Don't worry that one. My voice are listening or not. Okay, leave it. Just write. Just a writing classification. Band spectrum for molecules. Atoms. Just classification you can note down. I can see NCERT book, you can open. I think so 2 diagrams they mention here very clearly. I think Jameson spectrum. The main purpose of this is spectrum is evidence for the quantized electronic energy levels. Quantized means quantization. Suppose one energy level is there, like that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. That number which you are multiplying with simple integrals, those we call quantization. For example, MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. That n value is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's we call, which is n you are substituting, that is quantization. For example, MVR equal to NH by 2 pi root cell. This is nothing but integral multiple of h by 2 pi only. This is the quantization, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So just multiplication of some number. But all these values are not valid. Some value is going to be acceptable. When you have too many values, which is going to be accepted, those only considerable here. Similarly, E equal to h nu. This is simply one photon energy. Quantization means into n. Just we are multiplying with one suitable number, that is integral values 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. That's we call quantization. Here hydrogen atom we are assuming, suppose Bohr, Niels Bohr assume that one. This is the nucleus and orbits is there. Okay. This is the Bohr's atom. Okay. This orbit is there, further any splitting or not, like that. That orbit is possible any splitting. That's also explained by next further levels. It's only this is we called orbit. Each orbit contains something which is, that is subshells also. Shell contains subshells. For example, S, okay, P, D, F. Again, S contain only one line. P contain 3 lines. D contain again 5 lines. F contains 7 lines. This we are going to discuss further. Already I told you chemistry we are going to be study 11th, 12th is just result of some other experiment. Okay, they won't give everything in detailed manner, but we are trying to connect that points. So first what we are going to be study spectrum means, we can see spectrum meaning definition. Okay. I think so here they given page number 44. Please open page number 44. They given here spectrum definition. You make a note down. Spectrum means arrangement of all frequencies or wavelength in one order. That's we call spectrum. Okay, that's the thing. So they mention here very clearly. You can check it. Ordinary white light consists of waves with all the wavelengths in the visible range. A ray of white light is spread out into a series of colored bands called spectrum. Okay. So already the spectrum we done, that is we studied it starting only electromagnetic radiation. And these things, SPDF, all these things we are going to be study very soon, not now. Okay, but in the atomic structure only we are going to be studying. What is the use of spectrum? To finding elements. To finding elements, we can use this spectrum. for finding of elements also. And in atom quantization, the given one is evidence for quantization. Actually, the spectrum is which is you are arranging all the wavelengths either increasing order or decreasing order, we call spectrum. These are the given two types based on nature and based on origin. Based on nature, they given continuous, discrete. Discrete means band and line. So what is these things we are going to be study one by one. Spectra means, array open some your NCERT book also, no? Huh? After spectra, we'll discuss Bohr's model limitations. Array nothing here. I think you're more interested towards Stark effect, Zeeman effect. Is it correct? Where do you see inside the defects? You can get limitations they given. The spectral line, if you want get, first we have to get spectrum properly. We need to study this. A spectrum means arrangement of wavelengths, increasing order or decreasing order is the spectrum. This is one of the instruments. Spectroscopy is an instrument. That instrument can arrange all the light wavelengths one orderly, either increasing order or decreasing order with respect to wavelength or frequency or wave number. Spectrum is the arrangement of wavelengths. Clear? If you are sending any one light, visible light, you can see here diagrams also they mention page numbers. We can see page number 45. I hope you can check it. We are sending light source. After that, through prism, the detector they given, we are getting different colors. If that colors we are arranging properly, that's only called spectrum. Here your question should be, what is the use of the spectrum? That is a question, sir, supposed to be. Okay. So what is the use of the spectrum? That is supposed to be your question. By using spectrum, I can find out elements, what the nature of elements or what type of element is present in given compound. I can find out. Each element have different spectrum. So like our fingerprint, each person have different fingerprints. Like that, each element have different spectrum. By knowing all the spectrum, suppose you are preparing any new compound in that contains some elements. What is the elements present? I can compare with original spectrum. Then I can identify elements in the given compound. Let me start first lesson, then you can check it. A continuous spectra means you can check it, sir. This is the light source. You may can assume any light source, either sunlight or your heated hot object. That light we are sending through our sample first, then from that we are sending through prism. If this prism, suppose we are getting all the lights, I hope rainbow, you know that one. Assume that one, this band is one color and again next color. All the colors are merges each other, sir. We can't separate out. For example, rainbow is there. That colors, all VGR colors is merges. Can you separate out all these things? Green, red color, we can't separate out, sir. All colors are merges each other. When they merges, all the wavelengths they merges. So we can't separate out each other. That's we call continuous spectra. That's we call continuous. Continuous. Array, please listen. Very simple point. Open your textbook also. Otherwise, you can note down here by directly listening. First, stop to charting first. Concentrate. Stop all your queries. First, listen this complete concept. Then you can ask. First, stop everything. Don't ask any doubt right now. Let be complete concept. So spectra means which we are sending light through one prism, then we are observing how that behaving, that light how that behaving, that's we are going to be observing here. This is the light source, that may be sunlight, you can take sunlight also, sir, or anyone. This we are sending. Sending through, suppose you have to identify that light character, I am going to observe that one, sir. This light I am sending through prism, and this is splitting, sir. This occurs maybe different wavelength splitting. That's we call spectrum. All these wavelengths arranges. This is the normal sunlight I am sending through prism. The splitting occurs. When the splitting occur, these wavelengths, all that wavelengths arranges one orderly, one properly I am going to be arranged. That's we called spectrum. Is it clear? First spectrum meaning you got it? We are sending white light through prism, that all wavelengths arranges either increasing order of, decreasing order of frequency or wavelength. That's we call spectrum. First word over, sir. Spectrum here. You should not get again doubt what is the spectrum. Okay. Which is the instrument we are using to calculate all these things. That's we call spectroscopy. The instrument which is we are using. We are using to calculate or observe all these things we call spectroscopy or spectrometer. By using this concept, I am going to be find out element, okay, which is hydrogen atom or remaining elements also. I am going to be analyze that elements. Clear? We are going to be analyze. So how we are going to be analyze, you can see step by step. Clear? If I am getting all this spectrum is merges this wavelength. Suppose all these wavelengths is merges each other. Suppose this is like colors only, sir. VGR. Make and take, that is R O Y G B I P. So all these are merges each other, sir. So you can't separate out all these colors. That's we call continuous spectrum. Continuous. You can write, sir. If suppose same light source I am sending, means different lights, different experiments I am doing, sir. This light I am sending through prism. If these have separate, means one I am getting here line, okay. This again line, this again line. This is lines we are getting separate out. We are separating each other, okay. Or itself they are forming, sir. Itself they are forming far away each other. That's we call line spectrum. So all we are able to find out separately. All we can find out separately. That's we call line spectrum. Otherwise, I am able to see. These are all possibilities you are checking. All these are really experimentally proved that one. The source I am sending again through prism. I am finding here like some bandages, some bands. This is the one band. Okay. Again, I am sending here some band like this. This is we call band spectrum. Band spectrum formed by combination of line spectrums, sir. Too many lines is there. Like our recently, I think so. Rocky also, you know that one, or any bandage. Too many threads combination only, sir. Too many line spectrum combination only band spectrum. Line spectrum is each one by one. One line we are getting. Line spectrum is given by atoms. Band spectrum is given by molecules. Combination of too many atoms. Understood? This continuous spectrum is there, and continuous and this is discontinuous. Discrete or discontinuous given, sir. Discrete spectrum. This is discrete spectrum. So discrete and continuous, we got it differences. Continuous spectrum means we can't separate all the colors or wavelengths exactly. That is merges each other. Any doubt? Arey Blazon Gokul, please make mute. Got it? Line spectrum meaning I am sending light through prism. I am getting line separately wavelengths. I am able to separate. Then those are appearing like lines. That's we call line spectrum. If you are sending light through prism, those are appearing like bands. That's we call band spectrum. Any doubt here? Difference? Any doubt here in terms of this one? Siddheshwar, that is characters of prism. Character of prism. If you are able to observe by sending through wall also, you can observe that one, you can do that is. Okay. They are trying all people which object can split corresponding light. Finally, they find prism is can do that work. If you are able to find out other one also, you can try it. No issue here. Okay. That can split color, light, whatever you are sending, radiation that can split into wavelengths separately. That is a character of prism. Okay. Yes, you can post that is doubt, leave that one, you can post. Siddheshwar, why don't have take grass for food? Why we can't take grass food? Our people, generally humans. What's the reason? Why animals are not able to talk? Means other than us. Means humans leave it that one. Other people. Why they are not talking like us? Why? Which is what's that? Soulless objects, stones, all these things. Why they are not able to talk? Why they are not able to talk? I got one question from that person. That's why I'm asking all these things. Yes, everyone they have some characters. Understood? That's only I'm trying to explain. So prism have the separate characters. So now I am not studying about prism qualities and what is they contain inside the content and all these things I am not telling. Our work is spectrum. Okay, suppose you are going to become doctor in future, maybe you are JE person, okay, you are engineering. one thing you can do, sir, only one thing. Suppose you are preparing very good instrument, suppose X-ray or something is there, we are taking an MRI scan, that is, you can prepare only that instrument, your work. But that based on that signals what we are getting, that is doctor work, what is going to be to that one. Your part is one thing you can do. You can't do everything. I think you are not understanding. Or you are good rider, maybe bike, but you don't know how to prepare bike and everything, all the parts. So your work is one thing, that's your profession that is. Then what is going on, everything means that's we can't do, no? Remaining things. Try to understand, don't misunderstand me. Because our job is here, how they are going to be splitting that color, that light I am sending, how we are going to be analyzing that is. That's I am doing right now. So we are deviating from our concept. Okay, please come to the concept again, back. Right, doctor also can do only, suppose radiologist, you are the radiologist. He can do by looking X-ray, what happened, whatever that thing. He won't tell about how X-ray machine working. He can tell that is. He can't teach that is. Even you don't know that is. How X-ray machine working, what's the particular part, why they keeping that one. So why not handle here? You can keep that side, this side. He won't tell that things. He won't design that X-ray machine. His work is result, how that is thing happened, that he can analyze. Even who made X-ray, that instrument, he don't know what is going on, that is. Actual signals, based on signal, he can't tell anything. Because his job is not that is. So try to connect, okay? Otherwise leave that things simply. Huh? Array, got it? Continuous means I am sending light through prism. If that arranges all the wavelengths, either increasing order or decreasing order, but all wavelengths is continuously is there. We can't separate out, means that is continuous spectrum, that is rainbow. If suppose I am sending light, that able to separate this, we are observing that one, sir, lines, okay? That is line spectrum, molecules means band spectrum means molecules. How we are observing, that is I am going to be see first, we can get one by one. So next other one, based on origin, absorption spectrum, emission spectrum they given, sir. That's also I'm going to be explaining here. Try to note down, which is simple thing which you understood. Don't expect here, notes is not there, okay? Just classification. After that, if you want, you can read NCERT book, they mention everything. Now I'm sending light source, sir. This is light source. Okay. This source I'm sending through our sample, which is you want to analyze. Okay. This arrangement, everything is there inside. That sample I'm taking here. Assume that one hydrogen gas. You can assume that one hydrogen gas, H2 gas, O2 gas, any gas you can take. I'm sending this light source to the sample. After giving light, this is slit. I'm sending through the prism. After sending this prism, I am observing this line, sir, this wavelengths. Suppose I send here 20 lines contain energy, sir. 20 lines I send that one, 20 lines. But here came only 15 lines. Assume that one, 20 lines means that is 20 wavelengths that have some energy. Here came only 15. Means something lines missing or not here. Wherever missing, that appears as black. Okay, missing that means appears as a black. Page number 45 they given. If you want, you can see that one. So now I am analyzing which is missing lines. My interest is which is missing lines. We are observing missing lines. Means missing means how that missing, that sample should be absorbed or not. Which I am sending light, sample absorbed some light, then that emits some light here. Which is absorbed light we are observing, that is we called absorption spectrum. That's we called absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum. Are you getting my point? Absorption spectrum, which is missing lines we are analyzing. Okay. So we can do all later research everything. Right now, let it be complete. These things. Okay. Then you can move little bit far ahead. Okay. Our syllabus should be complete. We'll discuss all these things. Absorption spectrum means which is missing lines I'm observing means that is absorption spectrum. Emission spectrum. Now after this, you can write sir emission spectrum next one. Absorption spectrum meaning you got. We're observing absorbed radiation. That's we called absorption spectrum. Emission spectrum also we can see. Page number 45, 44. Can you see that one? The spectrum of radiation emitted by substance that has absorbed energy is called as emission spectrum. You can see, sir, emission spectrum means the spectrum of radiation emitted by a substance that has absorbed energy is called an emission spectrum. Atoms, molecules, or ions that have absorbed radiation are said to be excited. Okay, fine. Got it, this one, sir. This meaning I am giving, you can see, sir. This is the absorbed spectrum over some lines is missing. That's you are analyzing, that is absorbed spectrum. Emission spectrum. So emission spectrum. In this case, emission spectrum, same thing, sir. We are sending one light through the sample, that is suppose hydrogen gas, you can assume that one H2 gas I am taking here. It takes some energy, sir. Whenever I am sending energy, that energy absorbed by hydrogen gas. That energy absorbed by hydrogen gas. After absorbing, that hydrogen gas releases some energy. Absorption. After absorption, that releases energy. After absorbing, that releasing energy. Which is releasing energy, again we are sending through prism, then we are observing. Which is after absorption, releasing energy called emission. For example, here you can see, sir, everything we are going to be studying like this. This nucleus, shell number 1, array, take, be patient, see, 2 minutes, you can understand. This is the shells, clear, be patient, see. This is n equal to 1 and n equal to 2 and n equal to 3 shell numbers. Electron is present at ground state. N equal to 1 means ground state. We are supplying energy. This is, sir, energy source. This is I am sending to hydrogen sample. When that supplying energy, that absorbing this electron, that energy, then after absorbing energy, that won't be stay here, sir. That can jump into here, or that can jump into here. Is it possible or not? Or suppose you are giving too much money, you may can go somewhere now, tour or somewhere, whatever you can assume that one. So whenever I am supplying energy can taken by only electrons, not protons. That electron can exit one step to other steps. This absorption takes place. When they are coming return, or suppose you went somewhere tour, you won't be stay more than, based on your money source, you can't stay more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks like that. If you are going only 2 days, 3 days also. Are you getting my point? Again, that electron coming to the back, which is stable state, that is ground state. In this process, whatever that absorbed energy again releases back. First it absorbs electron energy, that going up, again that coming back, that releases energy. When that releasing energy I am observing, that is we call emission spectrum. I am analyzing releasing energy, that's we call emission spectrum. So I am going to show very clearly again one more diagram. This is the nucleus. Assume that one shell number 1, 2, 3. These are, sir. You can assume that one shell number like this. Same shell for our convenience I wrote. This n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. I am writing here n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4 like that. So electron is preferred to stay shell number 1. If I am giving energy, this electron can exit anywhere, sir. Assume that one they are exiting here. Now that coming back, it won't be stay long time, exit state. After absorbing, it releases again energy, sir. Whenever that is higher state means they have to absorb energy, then only they can go up higher state. But again that coming back means that can releases energy or not. This electron going to be reached again ground state means it can releases energy. Suppose here 20 joules is there, here 5 joules. So it can releases energy 15 joules. I am analyzing which is releasing energy. This 15 joules I am analyzing through sending through prism this energy. Then I am analyzing properly what happened here. That's we called emission spectrum. So emission energy you are analyzing means that is emission spectrum. If absorption energy you are analyzing means absorption spectrum. Only two terms. If you are analyzing any atom absorbing energy, that is absorption spectrum. If you are analyzing that atom emitted energy, that is we called emission spectrum. Only two terms, very simple way, try to remember. Here I am giving simplest way, okay. So our concept is ultimately going to be, if that is atoms are absorbing, that is line spectrum. If atom absorbing, electron excited and coming back, these things happen with respect to atoms mean that is line spectrum. If same thing absorption emission takes place with respect to molecules, that is band spectrum. Getting my point? Ultimately I am going to do absorption energy and emission energy. I am going to be analyzed through instrument that's we call spectroscopy or spectrometer. These are the 2 points try to connect. After that, we are trying to analyze with respect to atom, okay, because our concept is Bohr's explain only hydrogen atoms, sir. Bohr's atomic model applicable for only hydrogen and hydrogen like atoms. Hydrogen like atoms means single electron system for them. So he connected hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom means line spectrum or band spectrum. Hydrogen atom. Atoms gives line spectrum or band spectrum. Line spectrum. So this is, I am going to observe emission spectrum. Emission spectrum, this is for line spectrum. Okay. Hydrogen emission spectrum. I am going to give very clearly. Please write siding. And now we can try to read, sir, textbook. Otherwise, which you understood main points, you can understood and note down, that is leave it. That's more than enough. Emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. Right? Emission meaning after absorbing energy that releases atom. That releasing energy we are analyzing by through prism. I am sending that releasing energy through prism. That is make all the wavelengths either increasing order or decreasing order. That is a spectrum. That is emission. But hydrogen atom means this is line spectrum. So you may can say this is hydrogen atom emission spectrum. I am going to be study here. Okay. So now we can see, sir. This is instrumentation of tube, sir. Assume that one. That all the gas is there here, H2 gas. Okay, they arrange as properly. You can keep in mind. So they connected. That's arrangement, sir. You don't want anything arrangement here, but H2 gas here. We are sending all this gas. From this gas, radiation I am getting from this gas. Okay, that radiation we are sending through prism. Wait, I can draw proper direction is better. Or I can reverse the diagram, just changes only. So assume that one. This is the tube, discharge tube. H2 gas here. Now it releases energy, sir. Okay, that is emission energy. Keep in mind, sir, emission energy. That we are sending through one slit. These are arrangement only. Okay, slit. Okay, that send all wavelengths different is there. That will send sharply few. All they are not allowing, sir. This is the only gap. It can allow only few. Okay, after sending that radiation through prism, I am sending. Okay, that is prism character, which is the splitting character is prism. That is prism character. Once they reach here, it split into different colors, sir. Different lines. Split into different lines. So now I am arranging all these things. So this way I can observe that one on photographic plate. Okay. One point is there here that they are going to be touched. That will give different wavelengths. Okay. I make an assume that is photographic plate. By analyzing this one, I have all the lines of these things one by one. This is called line spectrum. So how that lines is there, everything I am going to be draw very clearly, pinpointedly. We are observing all these things in photographic plate. I leave it in, which is instrumentation part we don't want. Won't get any question also. Instrumentation part. Please note down. excitation of electron. I am reading the sentence. Don't worry that one. I know that one you can't understand. Line spectrum of hydrogen, it is observed due to excitation of electron or de-excitation of electron from one stationary orbit to another stationary orbit. One stationary orbit to another stationary orbit. You can draw the diagram also. Don't worry that one. Okay. Everything I am going to be show with respect to diagram. Just be patient here. Huh? Starting, if people you feel that one I didn't understand, but when completion of going to be completion of this topic, everyone you can understand. Really, you can going to be enjoy this one. It's not new for me. Every time I feel that my students also feel like that. Starting they didn't understand, after that they can understand. Because topic only like that. Every topic not easy topic, na. So every topic may not be very simple. Everything is simple for us. So we should be patient. Then we have to learn slowly. So their telling meaning is whatever previous diagram I given, sir. Now this is the nucleus. Assume that one. Wait, I'm going to draw a big one. Even we can use this paper properly. Otherwise, NCERT book also they given. You can give page number, sir. That's we need to note down. Otherwise, I will try to draw. NCERT page number 46, sir. NCERT page number 46. NCERT page number 46. Transitions of the electron in the hydrogen atom. The diagram shows the line Balmer something they given. 46 page number. That statement I am going to be explaining, which I noted, you wrote it on the screen. That's we are going to be explained. See that page number 46. Okay, 42. Some other people they have said that one. Figure 2.11 here they given, but you may can check it. That is the figure which is we need to draw. I am going to show clearly. Don't get anything. Be patient. See here nucleus. Assume that one nucleus is the shell number 1. N equal to 1. Even the diagram they shown that one difference between N1 and N2 is too much they given, sir. After that they given energy difference is less. All they are writing nearby 1 by 1. Please check it that one. Energy difference is decreases when shell number increases. So you can write here N equal to 1. Please keep some space to write here. N equal to 1. This is ground state. N equal to 2. First excited state. Please note down this is first excited state. And N equal to 3. N equal to 4. N equal to 5. N equal to 6. Even you can write N equal to 7 up to infinity, sir. N equal to 7 up to infinity they given. Okay, that you can take all the dots. At infinity shell energy how much they given, sir? 0. You observe that one. Infinity shell energy is 0, sir. That is infinity shell energy is 0. Please note down that is all these are minus values. First shell energy how much? Minus 13.6. They are taking at infinite distance means there is no attraction. At the time you need to consider 0. At infinite distance, potential energy, kinetic energy, everything going to be 0 only. At infinite distance, if you want, you can note down at the corner. At infinite distance, potential energy, kinetic energy of the atom and electron is 0. That is, with respect to that system is 0. Now I am providing some energy, sir. This is the electron here. When electron is present here, we given energy. That electron gained that energy. means absorption occurs, it will go up to 7th shell, sir. Assume that one. That excited to 7th shell. Okay. Now we make and see a probability. When that absorbing that energy, that electron may be directly coming first line, sir. Directly will come here also. That is the option is there. Or it may come next level here, 6th level, and 6th to directly it may can fall down, sir. This also option is there. Or you can draw straight line with by using scale. Okay, I'm not writing like that. Maybe chances from 6 to 5 it will come. Chances is there. Then 5 to first also maybe they will come. Maybe chance 5 to 4 it will come. Then 4 to first. Then again 4 to 3. 3 to 1, sir. Or 3 to 2 possible. Then 2 to 1. Are probabilities, sir. All these are probabilities. You can see each line which I noted down, sir. 2 to 1. What is the energy difference, sir? 2 to 1. We have energy difference or not? Array 2 to 1. What is the 2 to 1 energy difference? Array we calculated, na? 2 to 1 energy difference. Array 10.02 electron volts. Array E2 minus E1 how much? E2 minus E1 energy difference. Array forgot everyone. Array 10.02 na or 10.2? 10.02. Why minus? Roshan Vijay, positive only na? E2 minus E1. This is 10.02. So it have some energy. What is the E3 to E1, sir? This is, I'm going to show different color. Array here, from here to here. E3 to E1 difference how much? E3 to E1 difference 12.09. Okay, something, leave it. 12.09 from here, sir, which is color I shown that one. Array different energy means different wavelength is there or not? Different energies means different wavelength is there or not? No respond. Array different energy means different wavelengths is present. So that's only na we are try to tell you again. I am sending this charge which is this is I am getting all the different lines is a different wavelengths. That's we are observing. That line, that wavelength only are arranging, increasing order or decreasing order. That's we call spectrum. Which is we are sending that absorbed light, that emitted that light that I am sending through prism. That light I am analyzing. That light have different wavelengths. That wavelengths we are arranging properly. That's only we call spectrum. The spectrum means arrangement of all the lines. Why this situation came, sir? All these things. Why we are studying all these things means Niels Bohr, he said that one electron revolving around the nucleus. Okay. He fixed that one orbits is there. But previously Bohr, he didn't said any orbit is there here. That's continuously revolving, he told that one. But he said orbits. So orbit is there means something energy gaps will be there. When electron exciting, de-exciting coming means that energy difference will be there for each orbit. This is for hydrogen atom. We calculated already same thing for helium atom also, sir. Helium plus we calculated E1, E2, E3. All these values different things. Then E1, E2 for lithium also same energy will get. And E1, E2 for helium also will get same energy. You won't get, sir. You will get different energies. So when we are getting different energies means then this wavelengths also different or not. So every atom they have different wavelengths, okay, then different spectrum. Maybe some people still not connecting, but at least some people they connected are a little bit, okay, micro level we are going, that's why maybe we are getting confusion. But simple thing you can keep in mind, when electron excited then going higher level, when they are coming, all these chances is there, all these are different energies, so different wavelengths. So please note down that table. The next class I am going to discuss again, you don't worry that one, but again possible Sunday you can read it properly. Alright, table number 2.3, just keep the table, even extend that one, even N1 N2 spectrum region, okay, even extra some columns you can keep. We are going to write properly, we are going to discuss next class, okay. Alright, read. Alright, Zeeman effect, Stark effect they are given. One student they are asking, Alright, you can take breaks sir now. Someone they are asking Stark effect, Zeeman effect, which is these lines is there. Alright, who asked that one? Please say that one. Remaining people you can take break. Zeeman effect, Stark effect you are asking. These lines is there, which they are lines we are getting sir. Are you getting my point? All these lines. If these lines again, that line sir, I am sending this line, assume that one is the magnetic field. We kept here magnetic field. I am sending in presence of magnetic field. It's splitting again. That's we called Stark effect, I think so. Is it correct? Magnetic field they given. What is the magnetic field? One is magnetic field they given, other one is electric field they given. So same thing. This emission line I am sending through in presence of electric field. If that occurs splitting, that's we call our corresponding effects. If electric field is there, one effect, magnetic field is there, another effect we called. That's the only which we are asking previously, continuously. Which is this line we are getting from here, sir. Spectrum, I got these lines. These lines again splitting occurs in presence of magnetic field and electric field. Okay, that special things we call Stark effect and Zeeman effect. I think so. Stark effect is electric effect, and magnetic field is Zeeman effect. Is correct? Our screen is visible only, na? Our screen is visible or not? Are visible only. Madhumita, we can continue next class. Lyman series, Balmer series, everything I am going to explain. Don't worry that. Means this concept, everyone will feel very easy. Don't think right now, we stop middle that one. Don't feel that one I didn't understand. Okay, just read and come. Just do your work. After we can do remaining things. Up to Bohr's model only, our midterm exam syllabus. Up to Bohr's model. Up to Bohr's model for coming exam, weekend test as well as term exam, everything up to Bohr's model. Ashwati Iyer, I am not sure that one. If you got timetable, even I will get timetable also. I am also at my home, you also at home. They will send SMS. If timetable is there, then we are going to be continue our class. Understood? Sudarshan, what's your now? Array, page number is different. Na? This is your 46 is there NCERT book. Then you can search your textbook, spectrum, hydrogen spectrum, sidings, you know, na, everyone. Then read that spectrum, that sidings. No. I didn't given. Pranav, I didn't given spectrum questions, anything related to that one. Up to Bohr's model perfectly except spectrum. But you can read little bit drawbacks also. Over. Board drawbacks you can read. Only 3-4 lines only. Na? You can read that is. Read Rutherford drawbacks also. You may can get board exam, term exams. Rutherford drawbacks. If class is there mostly Monday. If no class means after your exams. Shreya Perimal. Whatever our textbook we covered means in class notes orderly, except spectrum. That will be there, which is in your class notes order, not textbook order. I am going to give question paper based on our class notes order, not textbook order. The redox reactions we completed. For NEET people, they didn't complete redox reactions. Okay, that's why. For them, no titrations. That's the reason, not there. Okay. Take break. At least next teacher will be wait. Thank you. Thank you very much.